carrot, potato, sweet potato, onion, garlic, shallot, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, red cabbage, lettuce, spinach, kale, arugula, zucchini, cucumber, eggplant, bell pepper, chili pepper, pumpkin, butternut squash, peas, green beans, corn, celery, asparagus, beetroot, radish, turnip, parsnip, leek, Brussels sprouts, artichoke, okra, fennel, Swiss chard, bok choy, endive, collard greens, watercress, mushrooms, ginger, turmeric, yam, chayote, kohlrabi, daikon, seaweed, spring onion, bamboo shoots.